Hi, do you know I designed this page you're on using AI? So ChatGPT wrote the copy for me. That's all the text that you see and I edited it. Then the avatars, that's my pictures that you see. I did that on TikTok, right? And then when you download the guide, you see some images in there. I used Bing.com and Predis. And then there's a video as well. I use Canva. So I just type what I want. I say create an image of a woman wearing a yellow dress in an office, and the thing creates the image for me. So I don't need to pay so much for graphic design. I don't need to pay so much for a videographer because I can just type it into the AI box and it creates the images for me. That's content overload, okay? So I want to give you the guide and I want you to watch the replay video as well. So enter your name and email and you're going to get an email immediately with the links to download it so that you too can start to do this for yourself. I'll see you inside.